Friends, how are you? Today we learn about Fibonacci, how to set Fibonacci. And Fibonacci setting look. This is our default Fibonacci and we set it. Now as a professional, our team use this setting. You can also use this. We set level 23.6. We convert in a 0.236. We convert in 0. Second, we set if this is a 0.382, we set it 0.25. It's okay because this is a golden ratio of Fibonacci. (0, 15) we set here. 81. We set 0.250 by 2 this you already know. This is our golden Fibonacci retracement area, so it's okay. 100 our first right side, we set it. TP1 once 0.618 we set here. Look. Here we set TP2. Now this is a 1.618, so we add more to layer. Here we set 1.77.
Friends, how are you from our team? Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.
And right side we set. Reversal entry. Second. We set here. 1.88 and here we set. Stop loss. Our second is step 2.61. Here we set TP3. We add more to layers. Here we set 2.77. Right side we set it. Reversal entry. Second layer 2.88. Here we set left right side. Stop loss. Now we have third option is 4.23. Here we set TP4. We added more to layer. (4.40) Here we set reversal entry. One layer way more added. 4 point. 50 stop loss. Now our Fibonacci is okay, we said look. Look here, this is our reversal zone by 1 by 2. This is our TP1 area, TP2 area, TP3 area, and TP4 area, and this is our 161 reversal area, R61. Second reversal area, and 4.23. This is our third reversal area. In next video, our team will understanding you how to use this Fibonacci. So wait, if you have any question, you can ask anytime. Thanks.
Friends, how are you from our team? Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.